Founded in 1966, the National Cancer Society of Malaysia (NCSM) is a prominent NGO dedicated to combating the stigma surrounding cancer. Initially focused on public education and patient support, NCSM has expanded its efforts to include nationwide cancer prevention initiatives and policy advocacy. Through workshops and seminars, NCSM educates diverse audience about prevention strategies and treatment options. They provide holistic support services such as counseling and financial aid, easing the burdens of patients and caregivers. By advocating for policy changes and engaging with healthcare professionals, NCSM aims to enhance cancer care across Malaysia. Their initiatives not only improve treatment outcomes, but also foster community and empower those affected by cancer.
National Cancer Society Malaysia, NCSM has launched a lot of programs for local people who want to have medical screening to diagnose if they have cancer or not, and it has a positive impact on their management. They also have programs that provide vaccine for highlight sensitive person, HSP and human papilloma virus HPV. NCSM is the first not-for-profit cancer organization in Malaysia that provides support such as education and care for people who are affected by a cancer.
There are two different types of objective for SSM. The first one is the short-term objective. SSM aims to raise awareness about how important cancer prevention at the prior stage. Most of the time, they hold free health screening for the locals to help them identify any symptom or sign of cancer cell growth in their bodies. Other than that, they also provide free consultation for the patients and the caregiver about what is the best treatment for the patient with higher chance of survivability. Secondly, the long-term objective. NCSM also aims to lower the number of cancer cases in Malaysia by collecting donation from the agency and the public. They need constant donation to help them carry out free treatments for the patients in need. They can collect enough funds for the patient treatments through direct donor debit programs where the devoted supporters donate their money to change someone's lives to a better condition.
Effort taken by NCSM are NCSM established HPV vaccination program to help unprivileged citizens or those who live in rural area to get the same treatment as others, including engaging, educating to prevent this chronic disease from spreading. NCSM give free vaccination of HPVs to citizens who came to the event. Other than that, mammogram program works to detect breast cancer and address other issues to keep women from getting screened. It also aims to raise breast cancer awareness and assist people in leading a healthier lifestyle. We can see that NCSM bring benefit by raises community awareness about the importance of cancer prevention by educating themselves and participating in free health screening sponsored by the NCSM to protect from the disease.
The National Cancer Society Malaysia (NCSM) is known for its comprehensive cancer support service and initiative, making it a major force in the fight against cancer in Malaysia. One of its greatest strengths is its extensive outreach and education program aimed at increasing public awareness of cancer prevention, early detection, and 3-minute options. The organization provides cancer patients with counseling, financial aid, and help with transportation, offering essential tools and emotion backing throughout their treatments. NCSM's research initiative aid in the worldwide comprehensive of cancer. The society supports and conducts research initiatives focused on discovery, improved treatment, and comprehending the disease epidemiology in Malaysia.
Based on the witnesses of SWOT analysis, employees at NCSM find it difficult to guarantee that the patient care is delivered in optimal manner due to the shortage of human resources. So, as a result, the staff extremely tired from managing a program due to a staffing shortage, and overworked personnel can tend to make a more mistake, and definitely patient will not receive the same level of attention and care as they deserve.
Collaboration with other cancer agencies will have an extraordinary impact compared to the collaboration with regular agencies. For example, working together to run a program on cancer with the National Cancer Council makna will give the impression to the people that cancer is a serious matter because it is run by two influential cancer agencies. This collaboration will also increase NCSM's creativity and innovation in renewing the latest technology in treating cancer patients. Employee productivity will continue to rise because they will work hard to raise the name of the organization. Thus, the opportunity to collaborate with other cancer agencies will open up opportunities for NCSM to continue to thrive.
One of the threats faced by NCSM in implementing health and screening program is financial resources. Let's take a quick look back at the year 2020 when the economy of Malaysia was badly affected by the spreading of a disease named coronavirus 2019. To prevent people from being exposed to this disease, the government implemented the Movement Control Order. This order will force them to restrict their movement outside of their houses. Although it will reduce the probability of people getting sick, the business owners suffer the consequences, which they could not earn higher profits due to fewer customers. Later, the owner have to fire some of their workers as they could not afford to pay their salaries. These unemployed workers who always donate extra money from their salaries could not do it anymore because they lost their jobs, and also all of their savings were used for buying groceries and necessities only. Without enough funding from the public, NCSM could not carry any of free health program for people in need as much as they wanted to. The non-existence of these programs will increase the number of patients or deaths at the hospital since they could not get early screening for
The National
their
Cancer
health.
Society of Malaysia (NCSM) is a vital resource for Malaysian students fostering awareness and support for cancer prevention. Through school programs and community outreach, NCSM educates on early detection and healthy living choices. They also provide crucial services like financial aid and counseling for patients and families, empowering students to contribute through volunteer opportunities. Internationally, NCSM aims to extend its impact by sharing expertise and forming partnerships in regions with high cancer rates and limited resources. By advocating for policy changes and expanding their proven programs globally, NCSM strives to improve cancer care worldwide and ensure no one faces cancer alone.
In conclusion, the establishment of NCSM has benefited all parties both physically and mentally. Physically, NCSM has succeeded in implementing a healthy lifestyle by raising awareness about a healthy diet. On the mental side, the moral support and empathy values that are applied give great encouragement to patients and their families to continue living. Therefore, the role of NCSM is important to reduce the rate of cancer in Malaysia.